5-2, shopping for jackets and coats, especially in winter, has never been easy. I tried so many and returned so many. These are the 13 best jackets and coats for petites for this season, and the best part, everything is under $200. And I'm tagging everything I'm wearing here in YouTube shopping so that you don't have to leave the video when you shop or scan the QR code to shop my blog post. First part is medium weight coats and jackets, and the second part, when it gets really freezing outside, puffers, down coats, and thick wool coats. Starting with trench coats, I tried a whole bunch and returned some of them and then narrowed it down to these two pieces. This one's from Mango and this one Banana Republic Factory. The one from Mango is more fitted, knee length, easy to wear for every day. Paired with jeans and flats, it doesn't overwhelm a short person. I like how it's made of 100% cotton. And the belt is at the right position. That's so important. As a short girl looking for trench coats, that's always the number one thing I look for. You want this belt to be a little higher. The higher the belt, the more it's gonna elongate your legs. Even though it's not labeled as petite size, the fit is spot on. The only thing is, on me, sleeves are a tad longer, but it could very well work for you because my arms are actually shorter than most petites. The one from BR Factory is a longer length. With flats, these are my lower calves. It is a petite size, which is what I love. I'm wearing the petite extra small. The fit is slightly roomier than the Mango one. Price point is really good. Those of you looking for a casual layering piece, you're gonna love this barn jacket from Levi's. Have you noticed this season every brand is making barn jackets? I picked up this one. It's 100% cotton and got that Levi's quality. The jacket itself is designed to be very spacious. I am wearing the extra small. There's a lot of space to wear warm layers underneath. It looks so basic, but you're probably gonna wear this more than any of the other jackets. This is a type you want to just grab and go. Walk your dog, run errands, or maybe take a walk on the trail. These are my $50 Quince jeans. You're gonna see me wearing this over and over again in this video because it's so easy to layer under any type of coats. And these are my Steve Madden suede sneakers. I just bought it. It's so comfortable. On the days when you do want to look a little fancier, you can wear it with a shorter bottom. The jacket is almost covering the skirt. This is an Abercrombie mini skirt and pairing it with my flat riding boots from Sam Edelman. Italian wool coat from Quince. The length is right above my knee. That easy everyday wear kind of wool coat, perfect to go with your pants or jeans. Shawl color that's so unique and practical. When it's freezing outside, you're gonna need this kind of color to block the wind and keep you warmer. I'm not sure why they would call it a cocoon coat because there's nothing cocoon about this coat to me. It's not a tightly fitted coat, but it's also not loose. You do have a lot of space to wear layers underneath. The price is $165 for the tailoring, and it's made of 80% virgin wool. And it's designed to keep you warm for up to 6 degrees Fahrenheit. I think it's quite reasonable. If you like this coat for this color, you gotta immediately jump on it. There's not that many brown left. I'm wearing extra small and it feels true to size. They do make some other colors. I think black and caramel both are classic colors. This faux leather jacket is from LOFT. I've worn it in so many videos. I'm gonna keep it brief. A lot of you have already heard many times about it. I truly love it. So far, my favorite leather jacket for this season. Design is very much on trend. The ladylike style on a leather jacket that makes it look more feminine and just more current and very easy. Pretty much goes with every single bottom in my closet, whether it's jeans, pants, or even skirts. The length is perfection. Every petite should have at least one jacket of this length. It really gives you the best body proportion. A very well-made piece with lining, which makes it look more extensive. The jacket itself is not a heavy weight, but with this rounded neckline, that makes it very easy to layer underneath. So if I wear high neck cashmere sweaters, this is gonna last me a very long time. I can wear this when it's very cold. And it's petite size. I'm wearing my typical extra small petite and fits true to size. These are my new maxi pencil skirt just bought from Mango. This combination really divides your body at the best place and make your legs look mile long. Now, this one is from Amazon. It has totally exceeded my expectation. On the model, looks really cropped. I wasn't sure if it's gonna work. On me, it's actually just right under my belly button. It's not a very cropped length, so it's perfect for those of you who want a shorter length but not too cropped. The shoulders are a little dropped, but the sleeves are not excessively long. It's very comparable to all my other jackets sleeve length. I'm wearing the extra small. It is a relaxed fit, so it's very easy to layer underneath. The price is only $40. A little bit less. When I opened the package, I was so impressed about the quality. First of all, this is how it looks straight out of the box. I did not iron or steam, and it's already in very good shape. And the fabrics feel substantial. It's 15% wool. It's very much a wool feel jacket, and it feels nice and warm. I would totally buy this jacket in another color. They also make black, gray, and camel. The one I'm wearing, they call it a brown, but it actually is more like a light beige color. I went to the mall the other day. I saw this at H&M. I had to get it. Just too cute. It's a lightweight puffer with quilted design. Sometimes quilted coats can age you because it can look old school, but this one looks so on trend. Rounded neckline, which by the way also makes it very easy to layer with higher neckline underneath. And it's got a waist cinching design, which is a heaven sent. You know, sometimes puffer coats can expand you and make you look heavier than you are, but with the waist cinching design, you don't have to worry about that. And the best part, if you're shorter like myself, this also elevates your waistline. It makes it look like your waist starts higher and therefore make your legs look much more elongated. I'm wearing extra small, my typical size. There's already a lot of space underneath that you can wear thick layers if you need to. I would have never thought to get a Sherpa jacket, but look at this one from LOFT. It has totally won me over. I am in love. This jacket is so warm. And here's the thing, the length is everything. If you're thinking about Sherpa jackets, you typically think about something really heavy and bulky. That's so tricky for petites. They're very easily gonna make you look bigger, look like you have gained 10 pounds. But this length is what makes all the difference. This is a petite size. I'm wearing the extra small petite and fits like a glove. Everything is exactly what I want it to be. These are real pockets. That makes it so much more practical and functional. And the sleeves are a bit longer, but you're gonna need a longer sleeve length when it's like 10 degrees out. You can make it shorter if you want. All you need is to roll up the sleeves, and it's so easy, way easier than I had thought for a jacket that's this thick. And because it's got a fleece lining, when you roll up the sleeves, you can barely tell. A winter coat and jacket haul would feel incomplete without at least one faux fur jacket. This one I got from H&M. Everything from the fabrics, the weight, it's very substantial. And the length pretty much is very similar to the faux fur jacket got from J. Crew last year. And of course, the price is just a fraction of J. Crew. This is a heavier weight piece and keeps you really warm. When it comes to faux fur pieces, I'm always very selective. You gotta make sure it does not age you. So this length is a little shorter and it's got that hood. So that adds a casual vibe to a faux fur coat and makes it more fun and also more useful. I'm wearing the extra small. You can go with your typical size. With extra small, I feel like there's plenty of space to layer underneath and the sleeves are not excessively long. Wool coat from Abercrombie. I love how they make petite sizes now for outerwear. This one, I'm wearing the petite extra small. The shoulders are aligned with my natural shoulders. My shoulders are narrow, by the way. And the length of the sleeve is not excessively long. It reaches the first knuckle of my thumb, which is quite typical, very similar to the rest of the coats in this haul. It's a thick wool fabrics. It's actually wool blend, 55% wool, but it feels really heavy and substantial. This is something that's going to be able to keep you warm enough because it's a longer length. It reaches my lower calf, so I would say this is almost a maxi length coat. I'm wearing a brown herringbone. They have 3 other colors, black, brown, and camel. Those are all classic colors. It's a tailored top coat, so it's got very structured, straight up and down shape, which makes it very easy for you to dress up when you want to look more polished. But of course, depending on the underlayers you're wearing, when you wear flat shoes, these can also be dressed down very easily. This is an Italian wool coat from Quince. You see me wearing it in how to layer in winter type of videos because this is the one essential layer piece. I recommend every petite woman should have this one long maxi length coat like this. Even though this looks like a medium length on the model, she's probably 5'7", 5'8". On me, it's that perfect maxi length I've been looking for. If you live in a colder state like me, I'm in northern New Jersey, it gets really freezing in winter, and a lot of times, especially when you want to look polished, going to events, parties, what takes forever to get ready is we don't know how to layer on top of skirts or dresses. If you have a longer length coat, maxi coat like this, problem solved. This goes with everything. The price is $200. I know it's not a cheap coat, but compared with other brands, it's still just a fraction of the price. Plus, it's 80% Italian wool. The moment you try it on, you'll know what I'm talking about. It's really top-notch quality. And the tailoring, everything is just perfect. This is a highly functional down jacket from Quince. First of all, I have to tell you how warm this is. When I was filming, by wearing it 5 minutes, I start to sweat because this is designed to make you warm up to minus 48 degrees. It's 90% down and 10% feather. Second of all, I'm really impressed with the designs that's so thoughtful. The hands got the built-in gloves to keep your hands warmer, and inside there's a zipper. So that's where you can put your cash, car keys, credit cards, and you don't have to worry about anything falling out. The length is cropped, but on me, it's actually not that short. It's on my upper hips. This length is what makes it so cute. It also makes it suitable for when you want to stay active when it's freezing out. You can wear this for biking or even for skiing because the fabrics are wind resistant and water repellent. If you're looking for a longer puffer coat, I found the perfect one for you. I bought this from Macy's Lauren by Ralph Lauren. I love how everything fits like a glove because it's actually petite size. I'm wearing a petite extra small. Shoulders are aligned with my shoulders and the sleeve length is exactly how long I want it to be. The fit is slender. That's so important for us shorter girls. In winter especially, because longer puffers can make you look bulkier than you are. So with that cinched waist design, this is so much more flattering. It's got a signature Ralph Lauren lining, looks quite expensive. And the length is right above my knees, so this is perfect for everyday wear to go with your pants or jeans. I'm pairing it with my Quince flare leg pants. Wow, congratulations. I am so glad you finished the entire video. If you have not yet, make sure you sign up for my newsletter below so that you can receive my free styling tips every week straight to your inbox. And I will see you in the next video.